Join me as I dive into the latest leaks and rumors to predict the 5 major updates of the upcoming Apple Watch Ultra 3. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is highly anticipated, and its release is expected to shake up the smartwatch market with significant improvements over its predecessors. Many smartwatch users face common limitations, such as battery life, with most devices requiring daily charging, which can be inconvenient for those who forget to charge their watch or are in situations where charging is not possible. This limitation can lead to a significant disruption in the user's ability to track their health and fitness goals. Smartwatches also often struggle with water resistance, making them unreliable for water sports or swimming. Additionally, the display quality of many smartwatches can be subpar, especially in bright sunlight, making it difficult to read important information. These limitations have created a need for a smartwatch that can address these concerns and provide a more seamless user experience. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is expected to come with 5 major updates that will transform the smartwatch experience. These updates include an enhanced battery life, allowing users to go several days without needing to charge their watch. The Ultra 3 will also feature improved water resistance, making it more durable and reliable for water sports and swimming. A higher quality display will provide better readability, even in bright sunlight, and enhanced performance will enable smoother and faster operation. New features and design changes will also be included, such as a more premium look and feel. The Ultra 3 will also have advanced health and fitness tracking capabilities, allowing users to monitor their well-being more accurately. The updates in the Apple Watch Ultra 3 are highly anticipated, and one of the most exciting features is its ability to track advanced health metrics, such as blood glucose levels. This feature has the potential to revolutionize health tracking and management for millions of people worldwide. The Ultra 3 will also have a more intuitive interface, making it easier for users to navigate and access important features. The watch will also be more customizable, allowing users to personalize their experience to suit their needs and preferences. Furthermore, the Ultra 3 will have enhanced integration with other Apple devices, providing a more seamless experience across multiple platforms. The most exciting feature of the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is its potential to integrate with other health devices, creating a comprehensive health ecosystem. This integration will enable users to track their health and wellness more accurately and make informed decisions about their lifestyle. The Ultra 3 will also have advanced safety features, such as fall detection and emergency SOS, which will provide users with an added layer of security and peace of mind. The watch will also have a built-in GPS, allowing users to track their location and navigate more easily. The combination of these features will make the Apple Watch Ultra 3 a game-changer in the smartwatch market. The 5 major updates in the Apple Watch Ultra 3 have the potential to significantly impact users, providing a more seamless and comprehensive smartwatch experience. With its enhanced battery life, improved water resistance, and advanced health tracking capabilities, the Ultra 3 is set to revolutionize the way we track our health and fitness goals. Let me know in the comments what you think about these updates, and if you're as excited as I am about the Apple Watch Ultra 3. If you want to learn more about the Apple Watch series, check out my previous video where I dive into the history and evolution of the Apple Watch.